and gentlemen, I am playing Majestic piano, which means it's time for the episode of The Wake Show. It's me, it's Stanley, it's Charlotte, the most beautiful girl ever born in the history of Earth. And of course, our destination expert one more time, Vicky.
Hello, Kevin. Hello, everybody. Good morning.
I don't think I can have any more people to
I
introduce.
know. And that's a beautiful picture.
I know.
That is
it's Stanley. It's our mascot. It's the most beautiful girl. I'm Kevin. It's my microphone. It's the GoPro.
It's Vicky.
It's the desk. Anyway, Vicky, it's been a great cruise so far.
Oh, it's been
We've
really
been
nice.
hitting the ports all the way through.
Oh, it's been wonderful.
My goodness, I love this itinerary.
This is a great, the Love Boat itinerary.
It is, and I'm actually like, there's a weird part of me. I don't know if it's weird, but like, I get kind of proud sailing this itinerary because you're like, it's so actually deep in Princess history that you sail out of Los Angeles, out of the same Pandero. If you didn't notice, it's the same port that the Love Boat actually sails out of from the opening credits. They're on the other side.
Yes.
It's like an L. They're on the other side. We're here because we're too big to get into where that one. And you look at that, and like how small the ship was on
Right,
up here.
I know.
And you look at it,
I
like,
know.
oh, it's mind blowing.
It's so cool.
You're right. We're sailing the same itinerary, which I think is
love
very,
that.
very cool. Okay, Puerto Vallarta.
Puerto Vallarta.
My favorite port.
Is it? That's great.
There's so much to do here.
It is. There's something for everybody, really. And even I heard people say, I've been here a lot, and then they come watch my lecture, and they go, I didn't even know that that was there. So come see me. I'm actually going to be down in the IC the morning of
The IC, International Cafe, by the way.
Yeah, sorry, you get ship lingo. And, come see me or in Vines in the evening, and I can help you if you want to go somewhere else or, talk to Shore Excursion. That's another one.
Yeah, okay, so here, by the way, right across the street, you want to do shopping? There's shopping right across the street.
Right across the street.
There's great restaurants right across
Yes.
the street. Depending on, we don't know which port we're going into yet.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's Terminal 3. That's where we always have been. But, watch the ship, watch the captain watch this and say I'm moving over one. Yeah.
Yeah, right. There's two terminals. There's one that's like,
There's 3.
sorry, there's 3, but we won't be in.
We won't be in
No.
here.
So we're going to be on the one that's like when you come in on the left side, which is likely the one. It's a smaller one, but they set up like almost like a little flea market outside with drinks.
Oh, yeah.
It's great. You can also take a shuttle to the other one if that's where we are. If we're at the other one, it's the new terminal with like all the shopping and like duty free and all that. But you can go over there still, do duty free shopping and come back.
Right. I mean, it's a brand new terminal. You might remember they used to have the old round one that used to be there. They built a brand new one. It's state of the art. Free shuttle, like Kevin said. You just get it's like a golf cart that moves people back and forth to Terminal 1. And then there's a nice chocolate shop in there. Free Wi-Fi throughout it. They do a folkloric show. They have a duty-free shop, and there's a flea market outside, a huge one as well. So yes, definitely
Yeah,
check it out.
there's a lot going on. You can go either way in this port. You can go down to the beaches, go to Old Town. You can go golfing, like you're going with me. Yeah.
Right. Oh, it's a wonderful place.
Great golf port. There's like authentic, like old Mexican towns that are like 20 minutes away that you can go to. Like there's everything in Puerto Vallarta. What are you doing today?
Actually, I'm going to do a shore excursion. I'm heading out to all-inclusive, kind of like beach break and, doing some chairs. And, when we were looking at doing it independently, it pretty well cost about the same. So I thought, why not do it? It's my last port, and I thought I'm going to go relax.
Yeah, by the way, if you do want to get onto a Princess Shore excursion, it's not too late. All you have to do is pop by the Princess Theater this morning, and if there's any room on tours, they're happy to get you signed up for that and get you on that, like, last-minute tours, and then you can get out. It's fine. Now, what we're going to do, we're taking a little break. So before we do, I want to say, Vicky, thank you.
Oh, I appreciate that.
No, thank you. You're leaving us this cruise, and I'm very upset about that, and I'm going to miss you so much. You've been a shining light of a candle on board. All the work that you've done helping all of our guests for the past
it means a lot
month and a half has been amazing, and we're going to miss you.
Thanks. Oh, you warm my heart. I love it.
We can be sentimental after this.
Yes.
All right? We'll see you in a minute.
Thanks.